forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey, man, I'm prayers from the farming. Look what's going on. There's something there. I go on this up. Where they got it, we call it expansion. Expansion. You have a small one on the side there. Now I go work for where you deal with that. So it's an expansion. Need a bigger pit. Bigger pit to throw down the waste down or something. But there are much thing over to go on and set up on them big pen and now we have to put in on more big pen. So we are going bigger space for everything we are going. Yeah, so I'm showing you what I'm going. That's one little paper we are going. Them thing there, cause the expansion. Yes, see them there? Alright, show you what I'm going. See them there? Cause the expansion. So all of this is picked up. Right around, right over and around. Yeah. So we say expansion, a piece right as so, put on a piece more right as so. Big pen this. So if we expand, we have to just know so we have to have space for the waste going on. So you see the waste with all this expansion. Wow, see the boss there? Yeah, that's the boss lady. No problem. Yes, so we have to expand everything. Put on more pen, make a bigger pit. So that pit there. Shovel, fork, and picker. 2 or 3 machines. Make everything great. It work. And a chicken we a jerk. You know, when you on the farm, do all 2 little things, you have to burn a fire. Fire is a must. This purify everything we go on. That's something really in fire. Just keep it on the left it. And you go to the rest of them. Fire have to burn. So we are going with some digging, you know. Set yourself to a bigger thing. Yeah. There's something there. More speed coming and all that something there. Yeah. Next thing I do when you do them work, you know, you can't leave this.
Yeah.
You have to have this when you do them work here.
Charter.
If this not there, it's not good.
I charter that.
Yeah, man say, the charter that. Yeah, that's up. Yeah, you say. Yeah. I'm not going to hear me now. That's how you think go. See there? Yeah. That not there, it's not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
That's something there. Yeah. So you make a bigger picture now for you. Can do everything we are going on. So. Pen extend, picture to get big. So we are doing 15 by 15 foot crossway, 30 foot down in there deep. I still the pit go big. You can do everything we are seeing. So. All the ways I go to the pit there. One big pit. Yes, my people. So we say expansion. Right there. I swear. Look at the thing I want to show now. That's up here. From a little bit. See there, see it over the pen? Yeah, from a little bit I grew up, little bit I have sense. I see my grandparents them have one buckle like this, stay up. Anywhere they pick them there. Anywhere they pick them there, the buckle let up there. You can't tell me why night. You're going to ask you to tell me what is in that. I'm not telling you, no. Just tell me why night. You just tell me in the comment. I'm not telling you, you know. If you tell me what I want in the comment, you don't say nothing to you. See there? It's tied up over the pig pen. Come here and look at pitney. You see every pig. When I say I grow up, when I back here, I tell you over the part them there. So, if you can't tell me what I want to tell me.
So tradition.
Traditional something, I never drop it. I just say new people you try to swap it. When we say tradition, you must understand what I say. Tradition, you know. So a lot of people know what is that all about. So I want to tell me what I go on. Tell me what is that in the comment. And tell me what it is there for. Remember?
Above the pen.
Yes, the right over the pen. Yes, the right over the pen, the right over the big pen. That's something there. Tell me what I want. When I come in. Me know it's what. And me know, don't know, the son will tell me. See if I can grab back one of the front, grassroots of the part of the thing. Round the man. I don't know what thing go. Round the way I swing go.
Hey, me no want to chop it down, you know. Me no want to chop it down.
Listen to Mama when she speaks.
Come and tell her, let me talk for lyrics. You feel I talk for lyrics, I'm an artist.
lyrics time, man.
No, me talk one lyrics, me I talk, and then we come back and run. Wanna say ready for me talk for lyrics?
You might talk one lyric there.
Wanna ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, London me come from, represent 6. Watch out now. Now follow back a Ricky, now Steve then. Now follow back a Ricky, now Steve then. Give me the girl 7 days of the week. Roll out, in a jeep. Pay a girl a call me. Tell me say they want me. If me is a guy, then who overall me? Girl a Margarita, all a Duns River fall me. All pass by it. White girl a carry me. More tackle but you mother there, me know.
Yeah, you can't go there, sir.
Me know I go there, so for sure.
Alright, cool.
Me know I really go there, so.
Respect.
Alright. There is the parental guidance.
Parental guidance.
You have to understand that thing, go. Mama there. Yes, and that's the respect, man. Yeah, we never drop you, man.
People, let me tell you, country is nice, okay?
Yeah.
Country is nice. Pure laugh, pure joke. Yeah, man. Pure laughing and pure joke.
That's something on here, Mama cooking are the greatest. And remember that something there? Mama cooking is the greatest. So Mama just greet me a while ago with some soup. What's going to make a soup I want nice soup? That's something there. That soup there, chicken foot soup. Corn and some more thing and some more thing and some more. I eat that man cook and some more thing because I am man. That's something there. You never drop it. See there? Yes, you know, and dumping off around there. See there? Mama cooking is the greatest. So today they will slide it out of my fat.
Yeah.
What a blessing. Some people eat and think that's just sin. So me get some common four leg there. Yeah, some real common four leg. Mama just give me a while ago. You remember them egg there? Real common four leg. That's where the substance, all the substance in the other one there. Yes.
So yes, people, I'm here in country in Brownstown doing some work on the pen. Well, not me, but you know. And got my soup. Guys, it's not even 12 o'clock yet. It's not even midday. You know what I said? It is not. It's 11:45 and I'm eating my dinner already. You remember them days, guys? Every Saturday you get your Saturday soup. Tradition. Every Saturday you had your Saturday soup. And soup was cooked early. Do you remember? Guys, it's not even 12 o'clock midday. I'm eating my dinner. Dinner's done. Dinner's ready. Yeah. Soup was cooked from early this morning. Ready. Mommy cooked soup from early this morning. Ready for when we come out. Yes, people. Yes, guys. Saturday soup. Yes. Finished the soup. Oh, man, the soup was so nice. The soup was so good. Look, as you see me, I got my glasses on. You know, after you eat, especially when you eat enough, because I'm not a big eater, I don't usually eat big portions. But you know, when you eat enough and the itis just comes, the itis is on me. All I want to do now is sleep, people. I'm in the car and all I want to do is sleep. I don't know. Just go stretch out. I'm round the back. So just stretch out somewhere and just, yeah. Just lay down here for a little moment or two, guys, because the food put me to sleep. Mr. Outlaw's drinking his soup now. Guys, honestly, it's been about 45 minutes since I had the soup and I'm still full. Like, I'm full. Watch the bowl.
Yeah. Breadful soup.
Let me see the chicken foot in it.
Hello.
Yeah, I never had chicken foot in mine because I don't eat chicken foot.
Bird foot soup, my people. Bird foot soup. See them, eh? Bird foot soup.
Let me plant this now.
Go.
This.
Bird foot tree.
Yeah, let me plant this.
Wow. Man, is I plant up the tree, you know.
Let me plant it, man.
Yeah, man. My uncle still peeps. My uncle. It's the breadfruit tree.
Put them a little zinc on
You say I implant it.
Put them a little zinc on and lean that road and we take a rope and type on the actual tree. And you can't let him put them on.
Yeah, that's spoon. That spoon older than me. A spoon.
older than you.
Yeah, man. This spoon older than me. Just pick it up on the land a while ago. Right, that's it.
Older than you.
This spoon is older than me. This. Not a normal thing. I want to frame it.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.